I live alone, in a cabin deep in the woods. No neighbors, no electricity, no doorbell. But every night, at exactly 3 a.m., I hear it. Ding dong, sharp, loud. Always just once. I used to open the door. Nothing would be there, just trees and fog. But then I started locking it, stopped checking. Until last night, the doorbell rang again. And this time, I heard breathing, right behind the door. Slow, heavy, waiting. I held my breath. Then, ding dong, a second time. I still haven't opened it, but now there are scratches on the wood. And this morning, my lock was on the outside.
Please like and subscribe.